So today, you'll learn how to enable or disable automatic software updates on your OnePlus 13. So automatic software updates is just a feature that allows your OnePlus to install updates, whether it's connected to Wi-Fi or to mobile data, depending on your settings. And then once the installation is complete, it will just ask you to restart your device so that it finishes updating your phone. So if you want to enable or if you want to disable it, it's fairly simple. The first step is to actually open the settings app. So look for your gear icon either on your home screen or in the apps drawer and tap on it. And then once you launch settings, you want to scroll down until you find system and updates. Tap on it. Select software update. And then you want to tap on the three dots in the top right corner and you want to select auto update. Once you've done that, you should see auto download and then auto update overnight. So currently the auto download is set to Wi-Fi. You can choose to change it to something else as long as you ensure that auto update is enabled. You can now customize it to either Wi-Fi or mobile data, Wi-Fi, mobile data, or do not allow. So it's completely up to you to decide what you want to use, but just ensure that auto update overnight is enabled. If you want to turn it off, you can just tap on the toggle and it will be turned off. So simply use this toggle to either turn on or turn off according to your preferences. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.